When you arrive, you'll be greeted with a smile and a little bit of paperwork to fill out. Then your clinician will go over the paperwork, your health history, and any ear-related issues. We'll then take a look inside your ears, make sure everything looks good in your outer and middle ear. Then we run a test that checks your eardrum and make sure that it's moving properly, that it has a good volume and pressure. Then you'll head into the sound booth where we will test with beeps and speech just to check all of the levels at a variety of frequencies. Then your clinician will go over your results with you using language that we know that you will understand. If it is relevant, your clinician will also go over hearing treatment options for you, including hearing devices. On your way out, make sure to stop at the front desk and we will book your follow-up appointment.